State. Denise Johnson is in Mason now with an inside look at L-3 Cincinnati Electronics. Denise.
Well, Frank, they blindfolded us and took us through the hallways of this super secret place that's actually right here in Mason, which is hard to believe. But what is really cool about this, we're in a lab, and there's only certain things that we really can show you in this lab because it is a really interesting place. But you guys are making... What are you making in here? I mean, it's pretty quiet, but you've got examples of this. So I'm talking to Russ Walker. He is the president again. And like I said, you are making some really special equipment here.
So this laboratory is where we start to build imagers that are like this. These are small little cameras that go into a larger assembly like this that might be used for border surveillance or on a ship. So I have these two little plastic models because it illustrates the size reduction that we've been able to achieve in infrared cameras in the course of the last 6 years or so. This was our product 6 years ago. This is our product today.
Kind of like our phone and a laptop.
Yeah, it's amazing the amount of size, weight, and power reduction we've been able to achieve.
Now, you said these are different cameras, and this is designed. Now, what do you do with this?
So this is used on many different platforms, on aircraft, in submarines, on ships, and on ground vehicles, armored vehicles, for the military so that they can see day or night.
Okay. Now, you said something about them maybe going into, what is this piece of equipment here?
So most of
Hold on one second. Let me walk over here.
Most of this assembly here is optics, so you can see the large lens in the front, and this is a long-range reconnaissance camera. So the camera that I'm holding here would be in the back. Most of this is optics, and it allows you to see people out at 20 kilometers. We have some very specialized image processing capability that when we're on the ground and we're trying to look through heat.
Oh, is that the, and what is that called?
It's called turbulence mitigation.
Okay, and I think because we have a video of that, so we can actually run that to kind of show the difference of how you guys have designed, and then you can explain that as it goes.
Yep, sure thing. So what you'll see on this video is on the left side, you'll see raw, unprocessed imagery, and on the right side, you'll see processed imagery. And you can see that there's waviness in the video on the left side. It's corrected on the right side. So what would be like in a desert where you see heat waves, you get that in the infrared regime as well. And our processing basically eliminates that. So if you're looking at things at really long distance, you can see them very clearly.
Okay. So, I mean, basically, this would definitely be something the military would use, and you guys build this and all the equipment right here in Cincinnati, right here in Mason. So as far as, you know, it's very interesting as far as heading out and thinking about all the different little things and how technology and how small and whatever that it is. So again, we are here in Mason. We're going to actually check out some more of what they do right here at L3, and we'll bring you that coming up in just a few minutes. Frank?
Denise, thanks so much.